Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or display custom message on cart page if cart page has more than one quantity or specific number of quantity in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting our customer request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. If customer add one quantity or more than one quantity, then we are going to display custom message. So custom message is conditional. Now you see in cart page we have one product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. So we are going to add conditional cart message based on quantity. And then you see add your custom code, so click on it. And then you see PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code per view. Now paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. So you can customize this message according to requirement. And then you see cart quantity count greater than 0. So currently this message display when cart count is greater than 0. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. And then you see snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. And then you see custom message display. Thank you for shopping. You have one product. Now back to custom code and we are going to change quantity. Now 1. So this custom message display on cart page if cart page has more than one quantity, and then click on update. Now snippet updated done. Go to cart page and then you see we have 4 quantity. Now make it 1 and then click on update cart. And then you see cart updated. You don't see any message. Refresh the page. Now you don't see any message. No quantity updated again, more than 1, and then click on update cart. Again you see custom message because we have quantity more than 1. So this is a conditional cart message based on quantity and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.